Once you log into Spelling City with your username and password that I've given you, you will want to click Lists and Games. From this list, you will see that I have typed in OG words for you for April 1st. So some things that I want you to explore this week with these OG words are the View, Study, and Test option. One more time, I want you to explore View, Study, and Test. Let's go ahead and click View. When you click View, all of your words will appear. If you click the microphone next to each word, it will read it for you.
Idea.
I think you get the idea there. You're just going to click the microphone and listen to the word. So now I'm going to go to the Study option. On this page, you have 3 different things that I want you to explore. Word study, flashcards, and word videos. They are all really cool options. Let's go ahead and look at the first one, word study. I'm going to go ahead and click play.
Study each word to check them all off. Idea. Idea. I-D-E-A.
So we'll spell it for you, and you can practice spelling along with the reader.
I thought of an idea to solve the problem.
And it will use the word in a sentence for you. Okay? So I think that helps you get the idea. To go to the next word, you would just click Next at the bottom of the screen.
Cool.
So after you've gone through all 15 of the words here, go ahead and click the X, and then you'll go back to flashcards. And this will also pull up some flashcards of these words, so you can practice very quickly with your parents.
Idea.
It says click anywhere to flip. Next. So again, after you've gone through the flashcards, click the X. Finally, word videos.
Watch and learn your words. Idea. I-D-E-A. Idea. I-D-E-A.
Again, you get the idea there of what you're going to do after you've gone through all the words. So we've done view and we have done study. Now will be time for you to challenge yourself and see how well you do with spelling the words. Let's try the test option. So once you click on test, you want to come over here to where it says spelling. I recommend you try the practice spelling test me first. Let's go ahead and try that.
Get ready for the practice test. Don't peek at your list.
Don't look.
Begin. Idea. I thought of an idea to solve the problem.
So you see how the words are not in front of you here, and they are giving you a word to spell. They just asked you to spell the word idea. So you're going to try your best to spell it from what you know about how the letters in the word work to spell the word. So I'm going to go ahead. I know idea is I-D-E-A. I practiced that a lot this week in Spelling City. So I've typed it in. It says after you type the word, select the next button.
Pull the wagon behind you up the hill.
Now notice it didn't tell you if you got idea correctly, because at the end it says you'll see how you did. Okay, so don't worry. The new word that they've given you is pull. So you'll type in pull. Next. And you'll keep going just like that. At the end, when you get to the very end, they will show you how you did. After you do the practice test, I want you to do the real test right here that says spelling test me. And this will be what is sent to Mrs. Rice as a score, just so I can see how you're doing.
Don't peek at your list. Begin.
And this is just like the practice test, only this isn't a practice. This is like the real test to see how well you can spell these words independently. And that is how you do Spelling City. There's also a really fun game option here at the end, but it's not specific to the words in our list. But you could click it and spend some time exploring. They have word unscramble, missing letter. So you could click on any of those, try it out. A couple that I like are the sorted out vowels. And this might be something that we play as a must do later in OG. But I want to just go ahead and show you just so you get the idea of a game.
Vowels are very special letters because sort each word into short, long, or pesky vowels by the sound of the highlighted vowel. Sort the word.
Second.
So I know that has a short vowel, so I would
Good.
drag it down. Just like that.
Sort the word. Enough.
I hope that gives you an idea of what Spelling City will be like this week. And I hope that you enjoy